Hey guys, welcome to the channel. As you guys know, I like KTC and I like Japanese tools, and KTC is a Japanese manufacturer that makes a lot of really nice tools. But a lot of you guys may have heard of a company called Nepros, and well, KTC is the company that actually manufactures both KTC products but also Nepros, which is their really high-end tier, super expensive products. And I'm willing to say over time, especially recently in reviewing the products between the two, I've actually liked a lot more the KTC offerings. And I'll tell you why in this video. But here's the item that we picked up. This is KTC model BRSW3S. Here's their part number. And then here is the part number there as well, and it's 9.5 millimeter square, which is a 3/8 head. Let's jump into this. I'll tell you more about this and why I have all these right now. So if you've been watching my channel, I've been doing videos on these KTC Roto heads. Now, I can't recall if I did one for all of these lengths. I believe I did one for sure on this one. I'm not sure on this one. So this is going to come in about 7 inches long, and this guy's going to come in at about just under 12 inches long from head to toe. And then this new one I picked up, which is like a stubby, kind of a glorified stubby, he comes in at 4.5 inches long, just over 4.5 inches. And for you guys who are new to this channel or haven't seen these, KTC has done something extraordinary with these. Quality-wise, as far as finish, machine work, tolerances, these heads, listen to that tooth count. I want to say these are 72 tooth count, but it fits so tight, so nice, no wobble, no play. And it's also worth noting, this is the biggest attraction, I think, to them. Let's look at that head. That's a traditional Taiwanese-made 3/8 inch Roto head that you pick up. The same manufacturer makes, I think, virtually all of them. And even Snap-ons is a similar size. It is big, it is grotesque, and it is hard to get into tight places with that. Well, KTC has managed to figure out a way to fit theirs in something that is more in line with a 1/4 inch drive, and they do a better job with the finite machine work. All this is steel. It's serviceable in the middle. Good spacing in the tines for as it wears over time. Look how tight that tolerance is in between, all the way around on that radius between these forks. Just amazing. You see all the nice machine work on there. It's been milled as opposed to just chromed to death. Everything about them, even the bolts that they use, very nice. And so I wanted to complete out the set because they make all of these, and this one is just a nice little short, small one to have, so as you're working, it does the job. Now its handle's a little bit different, right, because it's cut through, but the knurling's great. It's not overly grippy, so you get some slip to it. You can also see here on the end is where looks like they put it in a mill so they could run it and give it that finish. Like if you feel it, this one actually they did a better job. It's a little bit smoother, but you actually see the milling marks all the way across it as they do it. So you get a nice, there you go. This one you can see the mill marks a little bit better. But you get a nice finish, a very uniform, perfect finish for what you're looking for. And I've been wanting to get all 3 of these. I already had these 2. Now, access and able to find them wise, Amazon's a great place to pick them up at. That's where I've been picking them up. I have at least a half a dozen of these now. And pricing could be all over the place, especially now tariffs. I'm not going to give you the tariff spiel, but I picked this up before then. And this one could go as high as 60 bucks, I think. And I think I caught it when it came on a sale down closer to 30 to 40 bucks. So keep an eye out. And on Amazon Prime, you could definitely change where you want to purchase from. You could purchase from Amazon Japan, or even what I do is I'll wait, because they'll actually give, as you do a drop down for the price, they'll be like, hey, there's 7 other prices you could choose from. Click that and see. And usually Amazon Japan comes up as an option there. You just got to click on it from there, and it's always the lowest price if you could get it from Amazon Japan, directly from KTC themselves. So that's what I do, and it works out great. I just gotta wait for it to pop up in the sale to a sell or a discount, whatever it is, or maybe the yen versus dollar works out better. But it's a good idea for doing it with Japanese tools, not just KTC. But on average, I mean, this one, oddly enough, this one is just barely the most expensive. It's usually only a couple more dollars more than this one. This one's usually the least expensive, and this one is either right in between, or even sometimes it's more expensive than that. Actually, I think more often than not, it is the most expensive one to get. So, if you are looking to up your game and get the best Roto heads as far as tooth count, as far as backtrack, it's just super, super smooth in comparison to even that, and especially that. It is just everything. I can't stress it enough, guys. And Emil, I realize you may not be a Roto head person yourself watching this video, but KTC has done something that nobody else has done. It is an amazing, and this isn't a sponsored video, guys. I've done sponsored videos. This is not a sponsored video. This is me personally. I bought every single one of these from KTC, and I am thoroughly impressed with the KTC brand. Now Nepros, less impressed, but with KTC themselves, these are great high quality ratchets. They work great, great back drag, great precision and machining work that's been done throughout to allow for some excellent versatility. And these are quality. You even feel them too. They've got a nice heft to them, more so than anything else that's out there. So anyways, guys, this is what I got for you today. Hopefully, hopefully I'm able to give you some good tips, because these are actually really good. And if you got something else, feel free to share it with me. I will, and I'm actually willing to admit I did not find these on my own. It is you, the viewer, that shared this with me. One of you guys actually told me all about it, and I dove in and checked them out quite a while ago now. But you guys have an impact on this channel, and if you leave a comment, I'm always willing to return the favor. So please feel free to fill me in on what you guys think, and if there's anything else I'm missing. And if you haven't done already, please like and subscribe. The best way we can help this channel grow is by liking and subscribing, which allows it to send this video out to guys just like yourself who are looking for videos just like these. All right, guys. Thanks as always, and we'll talk to you soon.